Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Zangi app on your desktop quickly and easily. Now, before we proceed, I need to mention that there isn't an official Zangi app for Windows, but don't worry, we can use an Android emulator to install it on your PC. First, let's use an Android emulator called LD Player. Go ahead and search LD Player and click on the download link here. After downloading, open the LD Player. Log in with your Google account so that we can access the Google Play Store. Once inside the Play Store here, System Apps, once inside the Play Store, search for the Zangi app, then click Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. You will be good to go. So that's how you can install Zangi on your Windows PC using an Android emulator. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.